Customer states, called everywhere. I've been told there's no remote starter available for my 2016 Mercedes CLS. If you found the same answer from other places, give us a call at Car System. We might have a solution for you. Let's test the solution on this vehicle. Send a comment to the vehicle to start. 2016 Mercedes CLS. You can see the car is running. Simple way to get into the vehicle, touch the door. You can see the car just got unlocked. Enter the vehicle. And we're gonna press the push button. Now we are able to drive away. And we have a remote starter functional on this vehicle. If you find that you get an answer that says nothing available for your car, give us a call at Car Systems. We might have a solution for you. See you next time.